Yun mga ka-venture, good morning, good morning. Yun, hinatid natin si Mrs. dito sa Laos Pancit Malabon, Imos branch. Ayan mga ka-venture. Tayo pupunta naman dun sa kabilang store. Gamit natin tong si Dominar 400 natin mga ka-venture. Ayan. Yeah. Init. Let's go. Yon, pagas muna tayo mga ka-venture. Dahan-dahan na basa. Ay, tumulo. May basahan ka ba dyan?
Hindi, boss.
Susunog kasi yung ano yan, pintura. Thank you. Yon mga ka-venture, tapos na tayo magpagas. Tara, let's go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Yun mga ka-venture, dito tayo sa may store natin sa Atas. Dito ko na muna tatapusin ang aking video. Salamat sa panonood. Ingat po kayo lagi. God bless.